Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a call in Google Chat. So if you regularly use a Google Chat, you can open your Google Chat application and try to search your friend. For example, this one. So you can call this. This is like group. You can call the person of your group here by tap your friend and make a call. Or you can chat your friend directly and you can tap the call button here. So this is like regular call phone, but if you make a video call, it's very easy. You can tap this video icon. While using this app, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.